Hello, my name is Jeanette Gomez, and teachers, I'm here to talk to you today about the 26 letters of the English alphabet. And we're going to talk today about the most common sounds they make. And one of the things that we erroneously do is that we're adding an to the end of sounds. For example, when we see the letter B, instead of saying B, we're adding as in buh. And then we do ka and duh. And what we really need to do is kind of clip off the sound so we can have the pure sound of b instead of buh. Okay? I'm going to go over the English alphabet in order of the 26 letters, and I'm going to say the most common sound. Pay particular close attention to the pronunciation and also in the way I form the shape of my mouth. A, apple, A. B, banana, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, elephant, E. F, fire, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jewelry, J. K, kid, K. L, lemon, L. M, milk, M. N, 9, N. O, olive, ah. P, pig, P. And Q is never alone, so we call it combination QU because we always see Q and U together, and those sounds are combined to make an unexpected sound. So watch as I do this one. Combination QU, quilt, qu. R, rabbit, S, salad, S. T, tomato, T. U, umbrella, V, vase, V. Now with the letter W, linguistically speaking, it really doesn't have a sound. It is the vowel that follows the W that pulls that sound out. So there are two ways you can do this. Let me do the linguistic correct pronunciation first. W, watermelon. It is just a lip rounding. There is no air being blown out. You're just making your lips round. Because once again, it's the after the vowel, after the W, there's a vowel. That vowel is pulling that sound out, as in wish and want. Now, it's okay to make this as sound as well. W, watermelon, W. Whatever you feel most comfortable in doing. X, 6, X. Y, yarn, Y. Z, zebra, Z.